I'm super excited to share this brand new feature update with you that will now solve the missing piece of the puzzle, which is to create and combine multiple puzzles and create an activity book that you can directly sell, print, or publish on Amazon or anywhere you want. So, let me show you step by step. All right. So, let's say you want to do it. All you have to do is fast AI image designer under create design, and then you see the kids puzzle section. And under the kids puzzle sections, now it's very simple, but you need to understand how it works. Okay, so let's say you need to first be very clear about what kind of activity book that you want to create, um, what kind of niche topic you want to pick. Do you want to do animal theme, 1950s theme for adults, or you want to do for kids? If you want to do for kids, what's the age range we are looking for and stuff like that, right now what I want to do is I just want to create a simple activity book that has the shadow matching, that has complete the word, spot the correct spelling, counting numbers, and counting numbers. Now, if you think about it, right? If I'm creating for the age 9 and above, counting number is okay, or but for example, counting number might not be okay because it's for a little bit lesser age, right? For your preschool and early school, right? Your complete the words are specifically for your age above 9 and stuff like that, right? So you need to be very careful about that, right? So let's say I want to have spot the correct spelling, bilingual word matching, complete the word, and I want to do spot the difference puzzles, right? Let's say I do spot the difference later. I do mazes, right? These things. So what I have to do first of all, okay, is I need to pick the category. Let's say I stick for the animal category for now. So what would I do is I go to spot the correct spelling. Okay, I put in my idea, right? Animals. You can be very specific. Or winter animal, woodland animal. You get my point, right? I want to create 10 pages, and then let's say I hit generate, right? That's it. That's all you need to worry about. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna create the pages for you, but you don't have to worry about this, right? You don't have to worry about it manually editing it, tweaking it, and all that, right? So what we did is it automatically redirected you to the personal designs, which we use spot the correct spelling feature. Now we're gonna go to kids puzzle again, and then we want complete the word. So I'll click on complete the word. I put in my topic, animals. Yeah, I put in the number of pages, let's say 15 pages, and I hit generate. I can change the background color, I can change the headline text color if I want to, but I don't have to worry about anything at all. It will automatically do all the things. So I will come back to kids puzzle again. I finished the spot the correct spelling. I finished the complete the word, right? Let's do the bilingual word to image matching, right? I click on it. I click on animals because it's an animal theme book I want to make. I want 15 pages here. Now it's up to you, right? Do you want to do anything, any language other than English? If not, you can pick the background color. You can stick to the one that you have been using. I forgot the code, but it was something green. So I'll just stick to that. But you can copy the exact hex code to kind of keep the consistency, or you can, play with it, right? So I hit generate. Again, so far I have done 3 puzzles. Complete the word, correct spot the correct spelling, and word to image matching, right? Now if I want, I can add, again, come here, I can add shadow matching as well. Now shadow matching is a little bit a visually thing as opposed to more of a word or learnings type of thing. But let's say I want to do shadow matching, right, as well. This is word to image matching. This is image to image matching, but it's a shadow, right? It's more for early preschool. You get my point, right? So I don't want to put that in my puzzle book. Counting number again for preschool kind of thing, right? Word puzzle I can do, right? That is very interesting. But for word puzzle, let me show you, right? I need to have, let's do Sudoku as well. So I'll add Sudoku as well. So let's do Sudoku, and I want to do a normal Sudoku with 15 pages, and I want to keep easy, right? Easy. I don't want to, I don't want to, this is for age 9 to 12, right? I don't want to complicate this, for example, right? Generate. So far, we finish complete the word, spot the correct spelling, Sudoku, and you can go for a above level if you want to make it tricky, but complete the word, spot the correct spelling, Sudoku, word to image, counting number will not make sense. I could do crossword, but I don't want to do that. Word search I can do, so let's do that as well. In the word search, you need to put the words. I don't have the words list for right now. I already showed you how to do this. You can literally put in here 500 words of list, your custom words, and create the word search, but I don't want to do that for now. So I could do mazes. We could do mazes. Yeah, we could do mazes. Let's do mazes. Yeah, normal mazes. Let's do hard maze, and let's do 15 mazes. Illustration style, let's do doodle, and theme, let's do animals, right? This you're gonna love this, right? Generate mazes. So far we have completed 5 puzzles, right? Image, spot the word, I mean, you get the word, right? Spot the correct spelling, complete the word, Sudoku, shadow matching, image to word matching, and maze generator. We have enough puzzles for our activity book now. Now comes the fun part. Right now, you don't have any, so far, you didn't have any feature, or, that you could combine these two together. You have to do it, you know manually and all that, but now you don't have to worry about it. Now is the fun part, okay? Is now, if you go to kids puzzle, you see a new feature called activity book builder, and this is nuts. Okay, what it does is it allows you to pick your intro pages, it allows you to put your puzzle pages, yeah, and it allows you to basically, automatically it will create the key for you, right? It will automatically, answer key, it will automatically put it at the end of the page. We will automatically put the page number for you, and you can put the solution divider, meaning, like, from the time your puzzle moves to the solution, if you want a divider page, right, that says answers will start from here and stuff like that, you could add it. Now think about this, how crazy it is, right? So for the intro page, generally I got this prompt for you, which is very, very cool, right? I copy this prompt, I will be linking down below in the description for this prompt. You go to AI image designer v6, create from prompt, um paste that prompt, edit that prompt if you want to, click on high quality, choose number of variation, make sure the aspect ratio is 3 by 4, and generate image. You know what this will do? It will create a page for you that generally we create in an activity book, that says that this book belongs to XYZ. Kids love this. We have different pages packed with 90 plus activities. How cool is that? I like this. You can change the prompt, you can get more new unique ideas. And now, just like these, you can add a copyright page, you can add an about us page, you can add a, how to use the page. Pretty cool, right? You could literally come to kids puzzle, go to activity book builder, choose your intro pages, right? So I'm gonna go with this. You can select as much as you want, and I can, as you can see, it's selected for me. You can upload it as well, by the way, right? So if you created something using advanced designer or any third party tool, or even a word that you converted to image, you want to have copyright page, right? So you can put a copyright page here. And now the fun part, in the document I will also give you some, basic copyright page templates. You can use them. If you don't have any, don't you worry about that. Now the puzzle pages is the fun, right? All you gotta do is pick the pages in the order that you want them in your book, and it will automatically be added in your book. How cool is that? You don't have to put the answer key, you don't have to manually do anything, right? It will automatically do it with the page numbers. How cool is that, right? So let's say I want to start with the word to image matching. First page is this. As you can see, this is my first page. Second page, I want to do the complete the word. Third page, I want to do third page, I want to do spot the correct spelling. Fourth page, I want to do a sudoku, right? You could just go on and on, right? You get the flow, right? That's how it works. You can also pick from kids puzzle and mazes. So let's say I want a maze now, right? I go to kids puzzle. As you can see, I selected five, and just like that you can select, this is the sixth page, this is the seventh page, this is the eighth page. Let me do the ninth page. One second. This is the ninth page. This is the 10th page. So you can vary it. So to kind of make your book more interesting, right? This is the 11th page, right? You can go up to like 50 pages and we'll increase it more to 100, 200, right? This is the 12th page. This is the 13th page, 14th page, 15th page, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's put some mazes here. 40, 41, 42, right? I mean, I kind of not didn't follow the order, but you could, like, if you are very very specific about it, you can follow the order to make it more interesting. You know what I'm trying to say? So far I've selected 39 pages, and you can just click on load more to get more designs and kind of more pictures. But I think that's pretty much it. We kind of got what we want, so that's it. And once you're done, you click on select 42. Automatically 42 pages will be selected in a order that you want them in your book. First page will be this, second this, third this, fourth this. And then all you have to do, if you want, you could put a one page that says answer key, so that when kids and when anyone uses it, they know that after this the answer key will come. But you can leave this. You can put the include page number and generate. That's it. Just put a title here. Let's say animals animals activity book, and just hit generate. And this is so mind boggling, guys, right? 75 pages for Amazon KDP. You want 72 minimum. You got the page number that you want. Like right now, I just went with the flow, but if you just put in more time, you could actually add word searches as well there. You could put more activities there, more number of activities, more varieties of activities, right? You could put more mazes, more intro pages, right, to kind of make your book more professional, make it out, stand out in the market. You could literally create it per theme, right? A lot of people want animals, and animals is just a very generic idea. You wanted to just focus on dinosaur theme, fantasy animals theme, fruits, vegetables, space, alien, I don't know, cryptids. A lot of people like that. You want to do it for adults activity book. You want to focus on a airplane activity book. You want to focus on a road trip activity book. Look at this, right? The book is ready. We give you two three options. You can read it, you can download the KDP manuscript, ready to go. You don't even need to worry about a single thing. You get a final PDF that is ready to be printed. Look at your book. The book starts like this. Boom. Boom. And we literally give the answer key, where the answer is, the page number, so that kids can follow along. Boom. There you go. They can follow it. We can print it. They can use it. It's more interesting how powerful it is, right? It's a cow, it's a chicken, it's an owl, it's a fish, it's a jellyfish, right? What is a snail, a spider, a sudoku? Look at that. A peacock, a llama, a horse, a swan, right? Very, very powerful, right? A lizard. How cool is that, right? And then, as you see, I didn't put the number keys. If you put the divider, the answer key will come, and page number 38, the answers will start. Look at that. Answers. They can look at the answer if they want to, right? How cool was that? Now comes the fun part, right? You just download it and your KDP manuscript is ready. All you have to do is upload it and voila, that's it. This is how easy it is to create the hot selling category books of Amazon right now. And that is your power. That is the opportunity. That is the secret, thing. I wanna explain it to you. Like now, it's all about execution, guys. Think about different ideas. I'll be sharing a lot of cool, different concepts and ideas and niches that are doing really well. And all you gotta do is start your work and you are well off, right? So I hope you loved it. I absolutely loved it. I'll be giving you a step-by-step documentation with some ideas, some inspiration for your copyright pages, about us pages, some prompt, and you should be good to go. I hope you're gonna love this. I loved it as much as you will do. By creating this for you, this solves that missing piece, right? And I hope you loved it as much as I loved it. And I'll talk to you the next one. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones. Thank you.